the quotient rule. The quotient rule applies when y is a genuine quotient of two algebraic expressions. If this is the case, we can write y equals u over v. So when you identify u and v, it's important that u is the numerator and v the denominator. Just note that you never actually have to use the quotient rule, because you can express that as uv to the negative 1 and use the product rule. But I have to say that I do use the quotient rule. So u and v are functions of x, just like they were with the product rule. In this case, dy dx is v du dx minus u dv dx, all divided by v squared. Now, if you remember, in the previous work that we did with the product rule, I always lay out the u, v, du dx and dv dx like that, and then go that way and then that way. With the product rule, it doesn't matter because there's a plus in the middle. But the reason I always did it that way is because I knew the quotient rule was coming, and there's a minus in the middle, and therefore it is important. If y is expressed as f of x over g of x, then the alternative way of expressing dy dx is like this. Once again, rather than remembering formulae, I tend to work from here.